on the agenda today?
Cooking, gun range.
Cooking, gun range. I ain't cooking.
I'm cleaning up when I get home, washing.
Barbecuing again. Wait, this the second week in a row?
Yeah.
Second week in a row.
Surprise barbecue.
And it's getting hot outside. It's getting hot outside. I want to see blue skies. Not no puffy clouds, but yeah.
It's so weird driving today.
Last week, tell me where have you been? Came out of hiding, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold right. No right. Pretty ass, villain ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass slump. Catch up in around me, nigga, and I'm playing when I'm coming for the kitty. Got my phone got it. Do it for my niggas in the coast right now. Do it for my niggas in the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams in the hills. And they for the boy right now. Goddamn, for the time with a year. We are what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed. That's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Don't you wanna fuck me now? Don't you wanna love me down? Girl, you can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm done. Forget nigga, show me something. Nigga like you owe me something. Push it on a pussy like a button. Can't put time for it. Still getting ready in a function. Bitches on my dick like it's nothing. Everywhere I go now.
Like the meat, hey, who you be? That's how peace.
I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Y'all need to invest in a school. Freak a strip club. Freak a strip club. Invest in that motherfucking school. And that's the message of the day. Okay?
Wait, it's too much.
You know we can't wait.
Too much food.
We just left the gun range. Well, we still here, but we can't record, so we just gonna show y'all the results. Hold on. This my paper. Y'all see. Paper.
Struggling.
Okay, now let's see. Next. Hold on. That's my man paper right there. Headshot.
Yeah, that's when you mess with my. That's when you mess with my wall.
Y'all know what's going on. Stop playing with the kids.
It's on you. They got that little cheat, y'all. Show that cheat, man. Show that little cheat. It's hers.
Look at my baby.
It's her little cheat, y'all.
Can y'all see her? I hope my camera clean. Hold on. Let me zoom in.
You gonna wipe it then say open camera clean.
Can y'all see her? That's my little baby. Don't play with me. Don't play with me.
It's a big baby. Then he get motherfucker hit by this.
You said what?
My shit, boy, nigga, man. I just like to do the fuck I want to do. I got nobody over us like that. We just got work done. Yeah. My knee.
Quick life update. Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me good or no? I need y'all to answer. Say yes or say no. I'm gonna put a poll in the video. Outfit of the day. Really? Yeah. Don't hurt me. Not really recording. What we came in here for? Some wine?
I don't know.
Because it's a part of the vlog. I don't know what we came in here for. What we came in here for? Wine. Wine or hard liquor?
I don't hard look. I want to see some wine, but shit, I ain't even right.
Wait till it pops all the way out. All the way to the top.
Ooh, I got my other car. I ain't trying to use that car. Come on,
Oh no.
good. Ooh, that's vodka. I don't really like that.
Does anybody know what Traveler whiskey? First timer.
Hope that thing don't make you travel for real.
San Antonio, 10 out of 10.
Oh, man.
I don't know. I'm ready to go home, get in this bed, get on Netflix, and watch me some Chef's Table, some street food, just all the shows that got anything to do with food. Cause baby, I'm loving the food shows. Like, I ain't even gonna cap. Okay. I watched the whole season of Street Food USA yesterday. Baby, they highlighted, I'm trying to go in order. So, Los Angeles. Then after that, it was Oregon, Portland, Oregon, whatever. And then you had New Orleans. And then you had Miami. And then you had Miami, Portland, Los Angeles, Oregon, New Orleans. Did I say that already? New Orleans, Portland, Miami, Los Angeles. Dang, who else? It's 2 more because it was 6 episodes. Oh my God. Freak. New York, of course, New York, specifically Harlem. And then it was one more. So New Orleans, New York, Oregon, Miami, Los Angeles. What is the last one? Los Angeles. Hawaii. How could I forget Hawaii? Because I want to go to Hawaii in like May, maybe like June this year. And I didn't put some things in my notes. I got a whole foodie list. And baby, yeah, I'm about to try all these. So I'm ready to go home and watch me some shows and get put on game. Yeah. We finna travel the world and eat, period. I don't care about none of that. We finna travel the world and we finna eat. Dive into some culture and do all of that. Cause baby, the world too big. The world is too big to be sitting in one spot. Y'all better get up. Point blank, period.
Walmart was still open. Oh yeah. With the Walmart, and them things on sale for $39. We got 3 of them bitches. You leave the resort, they told what you doing, shit. I'm packing a little bit, and that little bit go on me, shit. Yeah, this shit ain't had no barbecue. This ain't gonna have no we leave. That's a good minute for
I hope y'all enjoyed what was going on so far, and I'm gonna need for y'all to like, comment, subscribe, share, because it's just like, why not just do it. Support your girl, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know y'all like the videos, y'all know y'all like the vlogs, y'all know y'all like me. Like, let's get into it. Let's get connected, okay? And make sure y'all invest in them schools, okay? Invest in the children. The future of our world is very important, because baby, I'm scared right about now. But enough about that. I said what I said. said, I hope y'all had a beautiful Sunday and everything is good and gravy. And on that note, peace. Peace out, my dog. And here I am again, your girl Deja. If y'all don't know, now y'all know that's my real name. But I just came on here because I just marked off my calendar. What's today? Hold on. Today is the 16th, and on that day on my calendar, I just wrote down the word grateful because I am very much grateful. The Lord has kept me. I am in my right mind. I'm able to move all my body parts, my limbs. I'm in my right state of mind. I'm alive. I have a roof over my head. I have food to eat. I have a family that loves me. It's just, there's no reason to be grateful. I know we all got our own little issues that we're going through and our own little issues that we're struggling with, but baby, that too shall pass. So I just came over here to let y'all know that I'm grateful, and y'all should be grateful for life too. Through the good, through the bad, through everything. Just be grateful and just be happy. That is something that I am currently learning right now. And just believe in God or whatever you believe in. Just know that everything is just going to work out for you. Like, don't doubt. Just be steadfast and stay grateful. That's it. That's all I came here to say because that's real life, okay? That's true spill, okay? And don't let nobody trick you about your spot, because I done seen it, okay?